The Avioportolano database of airports, registered and unregistered airfields in Italy, is used by air navigation as a standard. Acquire information superiority by adding Italy's national VFR chart and the aerodrome's digital informations from Avioportolano. Maps, photos, informations from more than 500 airstrips in Italy, with everything conforming to European regulations. Subscribe to Avioportolano's products for a higher safety and pleasure of your flights. Open an internet browser and type the address w.airnavigation.aero. Here, tap on the top right to open the drop-down menu, and then tap on Store. On this page, make sure you selected Italy. If you already have an active Air Navigation Pro subscription, scroll down to the individual products section. Here you will find the Avioportolano Italy VFR charts, both in the full version and also divided by geographic areas, on which you will find displayed 110 airports and 485 private airstrips and airfields. Scrolling further down, you will find also the AIP VFR Avioportolano aeronautical information, with the visual approach charts that can be geo-referenced on Italy's VFR chart. The landing charts displaying a clear image of the aerodrome surroundings, and the aerodrome informations which describe specific procedures, restrictions, and other practical informations like the availability of fuel and restaurants. By tapping the subscribe button, you will be automatically redirected on the payment page. Alternatively, this purchase can be made also directly from inside the Air Navigation app. Tap on the top right on Configuration and then on Store. By selecting Italy, you will find the Avioportolano products ready to be acquired individually. After the purchase, the documents and the digital informations of the Avioportolano Information Superiority Package will be available for download on all the devices where you will use your account. In the app, press on the top right on Configuration and then on Manage Data and Products. On the bottom of this page, you will find all the products purchased separately from your subscription. If not visualized, tap on the top left of the screen on the settings icon and then tap on Restore Purchases to update the page. It may take a few minutes after the purchase for the files to become visible on Air Navigation. Once available, tap on the download icon on the side of the document and select Install to download them. Make sure your mobile device has enough available storage and don't close the app because it would stop the download. Once the download is finished, the dot on the left from gray will turn green. To visualize Avioportolano's Italy VFR chart for aerial navigation, from the main page, tap on the top of the screen on Map and then on Maps. Here select Avioportolano. To visualize the Avioportolano documents and charts, you can search in the Tools menu inside the Documents section, helping yourself by typing in the search bar the Avioportolano code or the ICAO code of your desired airstrip. Alternatively, directly on Italy's VFR chart, by tapping on an airport, a menu will appear with all the relevant informations, and under the VFR section you will find the Avioportolano documents and charts in PDF. On Air Navigation, all the visual approach charts can be overlaid with georeference on the Avioportolano Italy VFR chart. Tap on the airport, scroll down on the drop-down menu and tap on VAC, Visual Approach Chart. Alternatively, if you have already planned a route On the right of the main screen, you will find the names of the departure and destination aerodromes. By tapping them, a menu will open with the related Avioportolano documents and charts. Moreover, all the Avioportolano approach charts can be visualized with georeference, also in the 3D view mode. After having overlaid the approach chart on the map, on the upper menu tap on 3D to visualize it also with topographical reference. So, with a simple online purchase, you will fly in a condition of high-quality information superiority certified by Avioportolano, and that air navigation has chosen to give you safety and comfort during the flight towards your relax and enjoyment. Blue skies from Avioportolano and Air Navigation. Stay updated on w.avioportolano.it.